That alarm's pretty annoying though. That lightning was so pretty. Let's see if I can see any more. Did you take a nap today?
Yeah.
Oh, you did? That's why you're not asleep.
For like 30 minutes.
Oh. Well, I told you I did get the ibuprofen PM, which helps you sleep. But I don't know if it's good to take that stuff. Do you still feel pain?
No.
Oh. Well, I don't think you need to keep taking Advil then. It's not good to take it if you don't need it.
No, I mean like now, no. I thought you meant right now.
Ooh, Bryce, that was so pretty. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Ooh, there's more.
And like half an hour ago.
What?
Huh?
What'd you say?
I said I took some Advil half an hour ago because it was hurting, but my pain's gone.
So it was hurting?
Yeah.
In your wrist?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I love the lightning. It's so pretty. And the wind feels good. I didn't even know it was going to rain tonight. Get a thunderstorm.
Should sit outside on a hammock or something.
I know, huh? It's nice.